Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to look at a new product that's out. It's called Slingshot. This is a new item out for window cleaners. Replaces kind of a stand-up ground standing screen cleaner. A couple of different models we've seen. I love my screen cleaners. The thing I dislike most about them is how much space it takes up in the truck. Haul it around when I don't need it. This is a small handheld unit. Has a nice handle on it, rubber handle. Has an on and off switch, and actually you put this, full open, half open, whatever, kind of controls the flow maybe a little bit. I put quick connect fittings on here. Best thing is it uses water-fed hose tubing. You're not carrying around a big garden hose. We can take and use 100-foot length of water-fed tubing and go all the way around the house. Clean screens in place rather than coming and stacking cleans at the screen cleaner, which is a very beneficial thing I found. So today we're working on oversized screens. So because the length of this isn't very long, which I don't think you'd want it to be too long, we're going to clean this in half. So we'll clean half from this side, the other half from this side, so it's going to be 2 passes on it. And by turning the machine on, there's water coming through it. There is a little bit of weight to this screen cleaner, but it actually works to a benefit of being, once it's applied to the screen, it helps you move the screen cleaner. If this was light, I think it'd kind of be more work on your wrist. So either way, to each his own, I guess. Taking a look here. My frames, I go sideways, get in front of the frame in the middle, go sideways again. Shut my power off. That's a look. We'll tap this off. That's a look. Handheld screen cleaner called the Slingshot. Scott here, Window Warriors Forum.